Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Facebook profile picture without posting. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Now go to your profile. Now tap on your profile picture. Now go to choose profile picture. Now here select a profile picture, the new one you want to save. And here there you can just make it temporary, add a desired frame, or you can just adjust it according to your taste. So once you are done, tap on done on the top right. Now write if you something want to write on about your profile picture. And if you as we don't want to share it on our feed or don't want to post it, we just want to simply silently say this and change our profile picture, right? So what we will do is just to uncheck mark it where it is saying that share your update to your news feed. So once we have unchecked it, and once we just save our profile picture, it won't get updated on our news feed. So there will be no post about I have changed my profile picture or she changed her profile picture like that. Even there will be no notifications too. Just simply, silently, my profile picture will be changed. So just tap on save. So as you can see, my profile picture is getting uploaded. Once it is done, as you can see, my profile picture is changed and there is no post in my feed about it. And the last post was on 17th of April, but it's today and there's no post on it. So yeah, this is how you can just change your Facebook profile picture without posting. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.